Do you know you can use Password Help to check if any of your password has been leaked, weak, or reused? Do you know that clearing your browsing data on a regular basis protects your privacy online? Cookies helps make your browsing experience more personalized and convenient. However, some are designed to track you and collect your private information without your consent. To use Password Help Check from your browser, go to Settings and More. Click on Settings, Profile, Password. Check now. You can always go to the website to change your password. To clear your browsing data from your browser, go to Settings and More, Settings, Privacy, Search and Services, and then Clear Browsing Data. Clear browsing data now. Choose what to clear, and also choose what to clear every time you clear the browser. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next one. Ciao.